This is a video that I've been eagerly waiting to make. Now what we're going to do is tune the R36. So I've got KES, which is a product by Alientech. So that's reading and writing the ECU. You need the software for that and a laptop. I've got my OBD11, which I'll be using to data log. And I've got a tune file. So I already downloaded my standard file from this. I actually sent it away to the UK to a tuning company that I've been doing a bit of chatting with and sort of trying to develop something that I kind of want a little bit more unique with my tune here. We've arrived at a pretty basic entry level, stage 1 tune, which should see some increases in power and torque, things like that. It's a bit of VVT play, a bit of timing play, a little bit of fuel in there. We've got some programming for the O2 sensors or a DCAT. I'm not going to DCAT it, but I will be fitting some high flow cats potentially soon. So it's good to have that in there so I won't get check engine lights and all that sort of thing. And there's also a couple of bits and pieces with the throttle map. So it's like the driver's wish map, so should liven it up a little bit more. I haven't touched the DSG just yet. That'll be next. And with the DSG tune, you can do all sorts of things like up the launch control, have faster shifting, increased clutch pressures, and all that sort of thing as well. So that'll be sort of the next stage. This, I just wanted to get some info. I've already data logged the standard tune, so I just did a little bit of driving, some wide open throttle testing, and data logged for the standard stuff. Got that saved, so we're going to go ahead and upload the tune file to it. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing, so do some data logging, look at timing, retardation, advancing, all of those important values that you normally do on a dyno. Data log them. We can do further performance tuning on the ECU. As I said, this is just a basic, sort of like a 10-12% sort of thing that you'll get across the board, which many companies do. There's lots of big name companies where it's literally just a generic file and they upload it and away you go. So let's get cracking. Alrighty, so fantastic news. We've got someone mowing the lawn in the background, so let's see if this can be picked up. Now you're going to want to connect your battery up to a charger, either a trickle charger or one of those microprocessor type chargers. Just have it on charge, make sure that it's all healthy, and that way you won't have any issues. As you can see, that's going to take a while there, so we'll come back and just let it do its thing. Not going to disturb any cables. So that's done. I'm not gonna lie, that took ages. Switch off the dashboard to continue. Writing ECU completed. Okay. Analyzing log. Boom. All right, the moment of truth. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Good start. Seems normal. Okay, let's go for a drive. First drive, immediately I noticed that it had massively changed the throttle mapping. Alright, so I've just driven a little bit around the block and all seems good. So we're doing some data logging now, and this will tell us how far the two sets of data are different. So basically that's what the tuner wanted, to be able to establish where we came from to where it is now, and if you can do a little bit more, or if that's probably about it. I mean, we've got a pretty hot climate here. It's about 35 degrees outside, so I don't know what he wants to do at the timing map on that. Yeah, it's so different. The smile on my face, yeah, I just cannot believe that. I mean, it's mostly it's the throttle map. So the throttle input, it's totally different. It's totally different. I don't know, it's just like a different car. And this gyro stabilized gimbal thing that I've got, it's pretty whack. So it's doing all sorts of things because the car's doing this over the road. Hands-free, not touching any phones or any cameras or anything like that, of course. We'll just do a gentle pull in second gear. That does it for stage 1 on the ECU. The next thing would be to do the TCU, so the DSG tune. Really keen to do that because that's where I think you'll see the most difference. I mean, yes, there's a little bit of power, there's a little bit of torque. Definitely can feel the difference in the throttle map. Definitely can feel that little bit top end extra as well. But I think that real benefit will come from the DSG tune with the up RPM on the launch control. Faster shift times and that sort of thing. So very keen to explore what that looks like. The KES version that I have for some reason won't pull it, and I'm not sure if it's the version that needs the actual gearbox connector plug, so the DQ250 plug that goes into the KES module, or if the later model KES module can pull it through OBD2. Not sure on that yet, so drop me a line in the comments with what you guys think with that. But yeah, definitely keen to get the TCU done. Definitely want to continue with this and the B5S4 build, so I'll be doing bits and pieces here and there. Let me know your thoughts. I gotta say it, like and subscribe, it definitely helps the channel out. Please support us. I love making these sorts of videos, and hope that you guys like watching them and tuning in. So yeah, thank you very much.
Hope you're having a great day. Okay, bye now.
Chase a light when the world is getting